To think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. So my glass was
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to tackle my master bathroom. I feel like my bathroom gets neglected throughout the week because I've been spending so much time in the kitchen doing homeschool, cooking, and cleaning the kitchen that my bathroom just kind of gets put on the back burner. I do daily wipe downs, but I still feel like it just needs a good cleaning at least once a week. So we are going to get it done today. So before we get into this video, I wanted to let you know that it is a collab with Natasha from My Style, My Home. She is a wife, a mother of 4, 2 boys, 2 girls, and she does cleaning, decorating, and organization and lifestyle videos. Anything motherhood related, you can definitely find it on her channel. So when you're done here, please head over to her channel and show her some love and subscribe and tell her that I sent you, and I will have the link to her channel in the description box below. If you're from Natasha's channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I'm Tiffany. I'm a wife and mother of 2, and I love to create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you enjoy, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell before you go. I would love for you to join my YouTube family.
Just a one-time thing, it won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons, kept on going.
So I'm not going to be doing much talking today, but I'll pop in whenever I need to, so y'all can either clean with me or just sit back and enjoy the music.
I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe, yeah. You show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, yeah. How did we end up at this place? So much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons, kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe, yeah. You show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me, yeah. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me.
So here I didn't have quite enough to make a load, so I decided to add some towels with it.
All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons, kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe, yeah. You show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me, yeah. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me, yeah. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you.
Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said. Oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off being just friends. Oh yeah. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you.
And so here I'm just spraying the shower down with my Lysol cleaner, and then I'm gonna add some soft scrub to it, and I'll just let that sit while I get the toilet clean.
Somebody else. Getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh baby. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. 'cause you know everything about me. Like I need my territory, so why are you still so needy? You're in over your head. Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name, always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude, don't wanna fight you, but you don't ever take a break, 'cause you love drama, forget the karma, no you don't ever take a break. It's always about you, always about you. Oh, I don't wanna fight you, but now you're so rude, 'cause you love drama. First you were so easy, but now I can't even get through to your mind, 'cause you don't wanna listen. I know everything about you, like it's hard for you to be true. Oh, funny how it changed in a matter of time. Phone is ringing, always at a
So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell before you go. And also, please head on over to Natasha's channel and show her some love. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.